Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode, I want to show you how I make my semolina and coconut laddu, and it is so simple and easy and so tasty as well. And the ingredients are some fine semolina, some desiccated coconut, powdered sugar, a little bit of milk, cardamom powder, and some vegetable ghee. I have a non-stick pan heating over low heat. Make sure you have the heat low. Add your semolina. We're gonna roast this semolina. Okay guys, my semolina was roasting. It's been 10 minutes. Or you can smell the semolina. The smell you're gonna begin to smell like a nice flavor of semolina, and you're also gonna see a light golden brown color when you move the semolina. And this is a time you're gonna add your ghee. Add your vegetable ghee. And now we're gonna roast this semolina together with the ghee for like another 5 minutes also. And the heat is still over low. Keep your heat on low. And then keep mixing as well. We don't want to see those big bubbles, the lumps here. We're just gonna mix this well and have a nice color. We are not looking for golden brown here, because we don't want our semolina laddu to have a brownish color. We want it to stay white, but at the same time the semolina is cooked. It's not raw. When you are biting on the laddu, you don't get the raw flavor. So we're just gonna do this for another 5-6 minutes or so. Add your cardamom powder and also the powdered sugar. And the desiccated coconut, I'm gonna add like a 1/4 cup. Alright, about 2 tablespoons or so. And now keep mixing. And do not forget the heat stays on low. And the semolina was roasting for another 5 minutes. And now the milk. You're gonna add the milk just little by little. And yeah, you're gonna keep mixing. Alright guys, so the laddu is ready now. And now we're gonna turn the heat off and then transfer this to a large tray or plate so it can get cool. It can cool completely quickly, so we can start rolling it into laddus. Okay guys, I started already to shape the laddus into small balls and then dip them into coconut. Do not wait for the laddu to get too cold, and then it will be a little bit tough to hold it into laddus. So a warm temperature that is easy to handle as well is good. So then you're gonna start rolling it into the coconut and then set them on a plate just like so. And then I'm just gonna keep doing this until finish. All my laddus are ready and I can't wait. I just want to try it. Smell of cardamom, roasted semolina. What a combination. Perfect sweet, not too sweet. This is so good. Get the written recipe down below. I will see you next time. Bye.